Hello friends, welcome to the Alpha Point. I'm Vishal and today I'm going to show Samsung Galaxy Note 2 running Android 4.3 with the Ditto's latest ROM version 3.1.1. It got released on 2nd December 2013 and it has got little improvement from its previous build version 3.1. It has got some issue fixed in the keyboard issue, key light issue, remote control, signature lock issue. It has got new Note 3 keyboard with emotions there, removed some auto power off options in the mobile network, and some of the SNS integration has been done, and some of the bugs has been fixed here. Uh, some of the problems are still consistent and have not been resolved till now. We will need to wait for the future update of this ROM to get those options fixed. So let's start what we got new. As I have already stated here that clipboard issue have been fixed. Like if you copying any object here and it was not showing in the clipboard there, so it has been fixed right now. The keylight issue, like always power off options, has been fixed here. The remote control options has been fixed here. The signature lock in your lock screen has been fixed now. The Note 3 keyboard has been added here. Let's look what it does to offer to us. So as you can see, we have emotions here. Everything's as same as it was, just there is new emotions has been added here. Like the Note 3 keyboard, you don't need any other keyboard app from the market. You can do send any emotions to anyone in your messenger, in your messages, and uh, that will save some money, some bucks to you if you download any keyboard app like SwiftKey or Swipe from the market. So this has been added here. Many of you thinking that what this ROM has to offer and why I need to install this ROM in my Note 2. So the features of Note 3 has been ported to this Samsung Galaxy Note 2. So let's look what it has to offer in this Note 2. So the best feature of Note 3 that has been ported in Samsung Galaxy Note 2 is the air command feature. So let's start with the air command. So here it is. You just need to hover your pen above the screen and it will show some options here. You can perform various tasks like action memo, scrapbook, screen write, S Finder, and pen window. Let's start with the pen window. It is as same as the window feature in your PC. Like you can work multiple in multiple application at the same time. Like I'm opening the calculator. The calculator has been changed here from the previous version of Ditto's ROM 3.1. The uh, calculator has been gone default from of Android 4.1.2. The genuine version keyboard has calculator has been came back again in this version of ROM. In pen window, you can add as many window as you want. Like draw another window here, add a app here. Like message app is working. You can add another window here. Just click there. You can add a bigger window by drawing a bigger window here. You can resize it. Like if you want to resize, as you can see, it is. You need to practice here to get it work properly. You can minimize it. As you can see, the app has been minimized. As you can see, there is square black boxes out there. It has been not fixed till now. It has little bugs there. Hope we will get improvement in this department too in the next future update. So I'm gonna close this app. This minimized app will remain in your screen no matter what you do. As you can see, I'm gonna open any app, like I'm gonna open my files and the app is still there. You can work from there. So that's the multi-window feature here. And let's look at the next feature here in the air command. We have S Finder. In S Finder, what basically it does is search all your phone contents and show in your device. So let's search anything like the. You want to search the and search the option. It will search all the options in your phone like air gesture here. Maybe there is some options the. You need to find the alpha point here. Air view. There are options in this. You have missed call in this message. There is the has been written there. Ashiki. Actually we did 3 there. In settings we have the has been added. It was not showing properly here. If you want to search anything, you can search it on web here. Like I'm gonna search it again, anything like air. As you can see here, air, air in help menu, in messages, in my files, in phone, in settings, air command, air gesture, air view, air browse. And if you want to still search it on web, you can search it by clicking there. So now let's look at the next feature. It is screen write. What screen write is just captures your screen and you can write anything on your screen right now. Like I'm gonna write the alpha point here and just save it. It will save in your gallery. Had some problem with the pen here. So it has been saved in your gallery. You can see it. Let's look at the next feature here, the scrapbooker. What scrapbooker is, it just captures your screen. If you just you need to make a slide here, just it will capture the whole part here and save in your scrapbook. So let's see, where is my scrapbook? Here it is. Scrapbook is opening here and scrapbook has my screen captured. If you just captured any YouTube link or any other link, it will show there and it will show the video here. It will capture anything that you swipe with your pen. Now let's look at the next feature here. That is the first feature here, action memo. And what action memo is like S note with much more improvements. Like if you want to add any number here, just type 919152 and you can save it as your task, or you can link it this to see here first. You can link it to call there. Just click here and it will automatically detect what number it is written and it will call this number. You can save it to contacts. You can message this number. You can email to this number. You can search this on web. You can search this on map too, or you can just save as a task in your phone. So I'm gonna save this as a task. Just this is a great options here. uh, the new update has got the 3.1 update has got the transparent weather widgets in your lock screen, in your home screen. So this has been added here. Now look at the new multi-window feature that has got much more improvements from its previous version. So let's see. The first thing that we got is the this option moved from lower side to the upper side, and now we can change its position from left to right, and again back to. You can add uh, another app here by using an app called multi window manager from the market here. You can get it on the Play Store. There is one option in the pen window here, just here, pen window manager. You can add application in pen window too. There are some application that has been not present here right now. Like if you see here, there are many applications here not that are not present, but you can add here by using this multi window manager here. So let's look at the new multi window here. The new multi window feature is greatly improved from its previous version, as now we can use not to open just two applications side by side. You can open multiple applications side by side. Like if I'm gonna open S Note here, as you can see, S Note is in window here, and I'm gonna open Chrome here. I'm gonna open my gallery here. I'm gonna open my another app here like my files. As you can see, 4 application is running in my home screen here. Like the desktop PC, you can open as many window as you want, not just 2 window like in previous version of the multi-window. So this feature has greatly improved. You can resize it, you can minimize it like the pen window here. It will be just like the pen window here, and there are much more improvements have been added in this version. So this is the new multi-window uh, in Samsung Galaxy Note 2, ported from the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Now look at the lock screen menu first. So open here and see what the lock screen has to offer. It has got the new lock screen from the Note 3 here. We have got here, we can see time here, we can see weather widget here. Just swipe or just swipe to your left, you can add widgets here. You need to go to settings first and set it up there. As I'm gonna set it there, multiple widgets here. The Vori app has been camera, as you can see. Now I'm gonna start what it does look like in the lock screen. Just swipe from there, you can add widgets here right in your lock screen. There are many widgets that you can add here. Like I'm gonna add this S planner here. Just select this. S planner has been added. You can add more widgets. Just click here. More widgets has been added here. You need to swipe from upper side. As you can see, widgets are present here. If you swipe to the to your right, you will end up having your camera app being started. As you can see, the camera is working. Just swipe from right and you can see, I'm gonna swipe from right here. My camera application has been started here. As you can see, the camera is working perfectly fine. The camera app has been not updated to the new user interface of Samsung Galaxy Note 3. The features of Note 3 has not ported in the camera app here. So we need to wait for that. And let's hope that it is also got ported and we got some new features from the S4 and the Note 3 in the camera app too. And let's look what the app drawer has to offer to us. The app drawer has got a new user interface here. The icons menu, you can add icons here and you can create your own folder here. Sorry, it's my fault. It was called folder. I mistakenly named it icon here. You can insert any icon inside this folder. Just click edit option and just swipe any app inside it, and it will take your application. Just click there and you can add plus and you can add multiple widgets at the same time here. Just click OK, done, and all the applications has been shifted in this folder. You can cancel or save it. If I cancelled it, all my applications are back in my app drawer here. You can edit this application from here. Just swipe here and go there and it will save in your desktop here. If you want to uninstall, you don't need to go to the application manager. Just swipe any app, just click here, go to uninstall, click OK, and your app will be uninstalled without going to need to go to application manager. And this has a cool feature here. Feature as well, you can add folders in your home screen too. The Chrome application, all the application has been updated here. We have got a new S Note. Open the S Note here. We can add, we can write anything. It has got a new user interface, completely new user interface here. It has got white background rather than the yellow from the previous version. Write anything. Now you can't bring eraser by just by clicking it. If you click here, it will just open the air command feature. If you want to erase anything, just click rubber and you need to erase from there. You can add, there are many features here. You can add here, just look it. You can add videos here, you can add image, you can create easy chart, you can illustrate a function. If you are a businessman or you need to give presentation, this S Note is best for you. You can do many tasks using this. Like if you want to create a chart here, like a pie chart, you can just draw a pie chart here using your S Pen and S Note. Just swipe here. As you can see, I'm gonna create a pie chart. It is gonna automatically create. I'm just doing it rough here. Just edit the option name here. You can edit here. Going back, you can edit the name here, or you can just delete it. In English option, you can write in different language too. Just insert it here. Anywhere you can edit it too. You can insert other tables, like you can insert tables here. Select the rows and column here. Done. Write anything. You insert units here, and it will be in your S Note. You can edit back later here. You can edit chart, cut, copy, delete from there. Just save it, and the S Note has improved a lot, I would say. Now look, the new My Files, the File Explorer. The new File Explorer has a new user interface here. It has divided into tabs here. It will show details in the bottom here of all your SD card, all your uh, inbuilt memory here. If you open this all, it will show different things like device storage and SD memory card, not the SD card and external, like in Jelly Bean 4.1. And open the gear. The gallery has also got a new user interface. As you can see, it has got a bigger file here and 3 rows. It has improved a lot, I would say. Now look at the notification panel, which has changed. Just swipe with your two hands here. You can see all your notifications here, or just swipe with your one hand and see your notification. Open this and you can see what are the new features that has been added here. The smart stay option, the smart pause. The smart stay option is was already present in the previous version of Note 2. The smart pause has been added, like if you are playing a video in the default player, and if you just move your head uh, outwards from the phone, the video will pause. And if you just again move your face towards the phone, the playback of the video will start again. So this is a good feature that has been added from the Note 3 feature. The smart scroll option, just you need to tilt your head or the device to scroll the web pages in the default web browser and in the email app. And screen mirroring has been added here. Just it will mirror your screen to other devices. Reading mode has been added. If you are reading anything, any book here, any in Google Books, it will just dim the light and it will save your battery, and it will save your eyes too. It will just release the pressure from your eyes by dimming the light. The hands-free mode has been added here. So these are the new notifications has been added in your notification panel, or uh, power option has been added in your notification panel. Uh, you can just click on settings and it will open your settings here. Just click on time here and it will open your time here. Just click on time, it will open your time and you can set your settings here. So that's all. And now let's see what the new settings has to offer here. Open the settings, and as you can see, it has a new tabbed user interface. where everything has been divided in connections, device, controls, and the general settings here. In controls, what we have our Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, tethering, data usage, lock screen, more networks, NFC, SPM, nearby devices, and screen media. All the connections option has been present in the connections tab here. In device tab, we have got sound settings, display settings, multi-window settings, LED indicator, lock screen, wallpaper, font, notification panel, easy mode, accessibility, call and blocking mode here. In controls, we have how to control our device like language and input, voice control, hands-free mode, S Pen, one-handed operation. Just enable it and I will show it. Just few wait for a few seconds here. Air view, air command, motions, smart screen, increased touch sensibility has been added in the controls here. And in general, what we got is accounts, cloud, and all the general features in the general tab. So this is it. See what the one hand operation from the Note 3 has imported in this Note 2. You just need to swipe your hand just quickly and it will bring the screen in your short hand. If you just want to use with your right hand, just swipe there quickly and it will bring a shorter screen here. So you can use with your one hand easily. So like if you are using your left hand, you can use this with your left hand too. So this is a very good feature if you are using your one hand or your one handed PC and you want to work with your one hand only. So this has been completely working and with black background and reducing your battery uses here. If you want to use your S Note 2 and want to save your battery here, just click on the power saving options here and it will save your battery by slowing down the processor. It will not slow down your processor here. It will just slows down the processor when it is not needed. So these are the options here. The battery life has is already great from the Ditto team. It is working pretty fine here. You it will go one day with moderate uses and maybe I have shown all the features to you right now. The widgets here, the air command feature, the new, and there are some features that have been added like a walking mate has been added, S Hill that is called, the group play has been here, and some of the features from the Samsung here, like the sketchbook for Galaxy has been inbuilt here. The flipboard, you can select these options when you install this ROM. You can un- you may not install this in your Aroma installer that has been implemented from the 3.1 version. The new installer in the Gear Manager has been here. In 3.1, if you want to update to 3.1.1, you need to have the OTA updater, and over the air updater. And I had got problem updating with this application. I had to install with the recovery with zip installation. I don't know why it happened here, but it had some problem in my device. So mm, that's it from this video, guys. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And wait, I will upload lots of ROMs there and other videos too. So thank you for watching this, and thank you again.